G'day everyone, how you going? Benno here. Back in the shed, working on the 80 again. Bit of diagnosis, see what we can work out's wrong with this thing today. The vacuum line for the master cylinder, brake master cylinder, brake booster I mean. Oh shit, it's one that's not in too bad a condition for a change. Can I get this whole manifold off all in one piece? No, I don't think I'm going to be able to get to all the bolts in there. It's going to have to come off in two pieces. The engine dipstick, put the nuts, the bolts back in where they come out of. I've got more chance then of getting this to go back without too many left over. Alright, that's the manifold loose. Well, the upper half of the manifold at least. Yeah, so we've got this kickdown cable, auto trans, so we can get that undone. I should be able to lift that and let manifold out. Maybe, if I can get this undone. Oh, there we go, that's loosened it off. Oh, so much easier to have this whole front end off to do this job. So yeah, a few people have commented, you know, it's a lot of work just to get the engine out. Be harder to get the engine out though without having done that. Alright, so I might have to separate the throttle body as well to get that off. Come on, thank you. Get this other vacuum line off. There we go. Hit the lock button. This is the throttle body loose. This throttle body is pretty dirty inside. It's pretty yuck. That won't make it run well. That's one side of it. There's the throttle body off. Pretty disgusting inside of it. One of these things not running the best. There we go. Yeah, there's a couple of reasons I decided to go to this length for pulling the engine out, and it's not just for the ease of getting the engine out, but I'll show you. There's a lot of stuff here that needs attention. All the wiring looms are out of the way. This is the loom that runs up the injector and injectors, and every single one of them, the locking tab's broken off. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do there. Got any ideas? I've got no idea what I'm going to do with these things. So if you've got no idea, just drop a comment, let me know, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. Inlet manifolds are absolutely filthy. Let's see if we can get some light in there. That one's not quite so bad. This one's pretty ordinary. And then we get further back. You get the idea. Found a reason this engine may have been running particularly rough is this. The injectors are not sealing in their respective holes. They're as loose as buggeries. They're like, these are, that's supposed to be a pliable rubber on the bottom of them. Yeah, they're as hard as a rock. Definitely not sealing in the injector ports. They're all like that. They're all loose. Those of you who have been following this build series would know, but if you haven't been following the build series, it's your first time here, this power steering system just leaked like an absolute sieve. I'm pretty sure that it's coming from these fittings. Now, I'm not sure whether all this oil here is coming from the power steering. These are the automatic transmission cooling lines go to the radiator. They're pretty wet, horrible. I wouldn't be surprised if these rubber hoses have decayed, but I'm going to replace them anyway. This is the fitting for the power steering high pressure line. I think in an attempt to stop it leaking, instead of just getting in and changing the crush washers, this thing was done so tight that this bolt was jammed. It was literally jammed in there. And it actually took quite a bit of effort to get it out. I didn't get it on camera, but I thought I'd just let you know the amount of gunge and grime and horrible yuck that's inside of this thing. But overall, it's really not quite as bad as I thought it was going to be. Looks like the seal at the bottom of the distributor may be leaking as well. Well, there you go. That's about it for this episode. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And I'll catch you in the next episode. Cheers. Have a great day.